I thank you, CII, for organizing this session in Hyderabad. I am Dr. Uttam Kumar Joshi. I am a chemical engineer and I run a startup called CII PSC. We are consultant in process safety, trainings, crystallization and flow chemistry and mixing scale up. So we had great sessions today starting from this morning and speakers talk about various aspects of safety, workplace safety, process safety and the regulatory aspects of pharma and other chemical manufacturing. I'll be also speaking later this evening on use of process safety testing for proactive, um, you know, proactive understanding of hazards and how we can use that to implement process safety management, the various elements of process safety management. So I look forward to this session and hope this will be very much useful to all the audience. And thank you for once again arranging this session in Hyderabad.